Hello everyone, this is RaviShyam and welcome to my YouTube channel RaviShyam Spoken English. Today I want to share 7 amazing tips to improve your English. Okay? So without further delay, let's get started. First tip is practice, practice, practice. You know, practice is the practice make command perfect. The more you speak English, the better you will get. Okay? Don't be afraid to make mistakes, as they are a natural part of the learning process. Just keep practice and you will see progress in time. Tip number 2, expand your vocabulary. Okay? Expand your vocabs. Learning new words and phrases will not only make you sound more, okay, you make yours fluent also. You can download in many types of applications to make your fun and interactive. Okay. And tip number, listen to your native speaker. Immerse yourself in the English language. English language is crucial for improving your skills. Watch English movies, TV shows, listen to podcasts in English, pay attention their pronunciation and their words. It will help you develop a more natural way of speaking. Tip number 4, find a language partner connecting with someone who is also learning English or is a native speaker can be incredibly beneficial. Okay, practice conversation with them regularly, discussing various topics and asking for feedback. This will give you an opportunity to apply what you learn and gain real life experiences. Tip number 5, don't be afraid to think in English. Okay, when you are trying to express yourself in English, try to think directly in English language instead of translating from your native tongue. This will help you become more fluent in your conversation. Okay. Tip number 6, takes advantage of online resources. There are many YouTube channels and apps dedicated to helping you improve your English speaking skills. Okay, and explore these platforms for interactive exercise, pronunciation guide, and even virtual conversation partners. Okay, and finally, tip 7, be patient with yourself. Learning new language takes time and effort. Don't get discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Okay? Stay motivated, stay consistent, and celebrate your progress along the way. Okay? So there you have it. My friends, some fantastic tips you will help you speaking English. Okay? And with confidence. Remember, practice make a man perfect. So keep at it, and soon you will be speaking like a pro. Thanks for watching this video.